Someone's talking.
Hello.
Again, I'm just recording again. This is my third time because the first time it got. The second time it's something. And it's the third time it is now. So not nice for me. Please get me a new task so that I can make some money.
I'll give you all the money that
It's actually my avatar, so oh my god. I created my avatar for everything like this. Oh, what the freaking hell.
Somebody has a Chinese New Year just outside. Oh, it's wrong.
No, I just changed my avatar.
I just waited.
I just changed it to Cool Teen. Where? I'm a little so cute. I know, right? Show my pet. I need to wear something. You are a girl. I'm literally so poor.
And
I don't have anything.
And I am
Finally something. Back.
I'm coming on.
Thanks.
Why am I still in this house?
Finally. Wow. I'm not understanding what's happening to me. Did someone hack mine? No. It has been 1 minute 37 seconds. So I'm gonna end this video like 7 minutes or something. Whatever.
No.
Oh, I don't know why I'm lost. Oh no, there's so many people here. I just don't know why.
I have to reset my character.
Where's that?
I don't know why.
No, it's not me.
Okay, I reset my character. That house was very creepy.
Great.
I'm very creepy. Now I fell out of the world.
What are you gonna give me? I'll give you my Galactathon, my this, and my Metalock. I'm just gonna flex behind her.
And do all your pets.
Kinda.
A bee, a dog.
That's too much.
Banana car, a legendary. A banana car, a legendary.
She's gonna give me nah. If she's gonna accept, I'm gonna like freak out. This is too much for me actually. What? Oh my god! If she's gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Oh my goodness! What? I did the best try in an update!
I really wanted banana car. And my lost it and you got a banana car there.
My brother is talking in Telugu because he doesn't know how to talk. Oh my god, there's a bee and this fancy foxy. And where's my vehicles? A banana car! A legendary! Okay, fine.
I'll give you a medal for that legendary banana car.
Okay, mister. Come on, pray with me. Where are you?
Oh, I'm just falling out.
I'm sleeping. Okay,
I'll reset my character.
I'm going to go to Daladula, someone's house. I'm gonna sleep there. And I'm also gonna eat there. Where am I?
I have to.
Yay, I'm so lucky. Wait, the bathroom is down.
Oh, I'm just falling out of the world.
Oh, the bathroom is up.
Wait, I have to leave the game and join back.
I don't know why my brother is acting like
legendary banana car. So I'll give my medal off. I promise. Mother problem.
Where's the shower?
Just want that legendary banana car for anything in the world.
See how my brother's getting mad? He actually took my Metalock and now he's asking to get me. You. As it is a pizza place anyways, I'm gonna make frequent pizzas. Of course! Why not? Hello! This lollipop is making me mad. Why did she make her whole house pink? Well, pink is nice, but it's so bold. I mean, frequent pizzas. I want. Grab a pizza, add some tomato, add some cheese, add some lettuce, grab a pizza.
I'm at your house.
I'm like making so many pizzas to last me like for 100 years. Except I don't know where is he? Where's the banana? Except. Come on, I need to make so many pizzas, mister. There's no all time for me to do it. I think this is a legendary because I gave it to him. That idiot took my Menalox.
A legendary for a legendary. That's good, if you ask me.
And I need to make pizza, mister.
It's like a legendary banana cut, and I'm gonna drag it around the donkey, and everybody will be very jealous.
As if.
What do you mean, as if? And next time I'll get a legendary train. But I drive around without me. I smell
No,
it.
I don't know.
And you don't need that much money. You just need a normal ox and you got all the oxes. Drive around without me. And
Now we're sleepy and we're thirsty too.
and this is like a train so you can get out. I legendary banana car.
See how many pizzas I just made?
And you also have to trade me that bee.
No way I'm gonna trade my brother.
Because that costs Robux.
Where's the bed? Where's your bed, Missy?
There, she doesn't have a bed.
No.
In pizza places, there will be no cribs. Sorry to say that. Now I'm on the fan because it's very, very hot.
I'm gonna give her $1. Just $1.
$1? I'll click it.
Hey, I paid her $1. Well, that's too much for
You
me.
can come on my train banana car. Get on, Missy.
Yes, please. Excuse me,
What?
Mister. Cash out.
You can come now.
Wait, why are you moving? Don't move.
And I'm moving.
Wait a second. Family. Where's family?
Okay, now you can go on.
What family? Let's check out this thing.
Accept.
Sit. You. Sit.
I love banana cars because I love